Hey y'all, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we're going to be talking about the new EVID G2 line. EV has given a facelift to their in-ceiling EVID speakers, and we're going to talk all about it. All right, so the EVID line of ceiling speakers has been around for quite a while, and so now this is the new model, G2, Generation 2. So basically these are over here, and this is the G2 model, which we'll get to in a moment, and then I also have here the EC, the new economy line, a little bit more economical solution rather than going up to the G2 line. So with the G2 line, you got a number of different sizes. They are all two-way speakers. Two-way meaning, as we have discussed in many previous videos, you have a woofer and a tweeter in both lines. So it's not just full range, it is two-way, which will be important in a second. But within that line, we have a 4-inch woofer, a 4-inch low-profile model. This is the 4-inch low profile with the shallow back can, as you can see there. Then we also have a 6.5-inch woofer model. There also is a 6.5-inch low profile, so same 6.5-inch woofer, but a trimmed down back can for low clearance areas. Then also an 8-inch model, also an 8-inch high ceiling, meaning if you have a really high ceiling, this has a more focused port to give you higher output far down below, and then an 8-inch subwoofer. That is in contrast to the EC line. EC has not as many SKUs, not as many variations, but also has some low profile models available as well. With the G2s, this does use EV's new patented technology, the SST technology. That refers to the signal synchronized transducers. Basically, that is a patented way of time aligning the output from these speakers so that essentially you get much better intelligibility than previous models by the lows and the highs arriving at a more same time, so you get better phase coherency and just overall better sound. Also allows you to put this whole waveguide in a much smaller cabinet. So, this is a 6.5-inch woofer. This is not the low profile model, and this is a pretty short back can here in comparison to what some other speakers with 6.5-inch woofers look like out there. For comparison, this is the C6.2-G2. And then over here, this is the EC 6.2, so this is a more economical model. Part of the facelift of all this line is they do have side entry conduit ports on the side for wiring into the speaker rather than on the back. That is requested by a lot of installers and contractors out there where it's easier to access the side of the speaker rather than the back. And then you also have your 70-volt taps on the front, and all models have magnetic grills. So definitely a great facelift from a tried and true brand, and definitely a welcome addition to the market, as well as black and white over here before I forget to mention that to you guys. If I can help with any other questions that may come up, if you're curious about what speaker line might be right for you, definitely go to our website, www.proacousticsusa.com. Drop us a like, subscribe down below, and until next time guys, I'm Nathan. Take care.